Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start our lesson number 5 for your book Socio-Technology and for grade 3. What is the topic? The cities of Pakistan. You have to open your page number 38. First of all, we will check out the location of Pakistan. Okay, there is a map on your book. It is the map of Pakistan. Let's start the reading. Pakistan is located in the continent Asia. In which continent? Asia. In a region known as South Asia. Okay, in the south of Asia Pakistan is situated. Okay, it is surrounded by Afghanistan. All these are the neighboring countries of Pakistan. It is surrounded by Afghanistan and Iran on the west, China to the north, India to the east, and the Arabian Sea to the south. Okay, these are all the neighboring countries of Pakistan: Afghanistan, Iran, China, India, and Arabian Sea in the south. Okay, now let's see. It has four provinces. The first one is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Balochistan, Sindh, Punjab. Okay, there is another province, that is Gilgit Baltistan. Okay, so now there are five provinces. Pakistan is a diverse place, home to multiple cultures and languages, and some of the most beautiful and historical places in the world. All these places or languages are spoken, or places can be seen in different provinces of Pakistan. Now let's see what is a city. Pakistan has several cities. A city can be defined as a densely populated human settlement. They are also known as urban areas. Cities are more developed than towns or villages, where the population is in huge amount. That area is called city. Now let's study about some major cities of Pakistan. The first one is Islamabad. Islamabad is also the capital city of Pakistan, and we also live in Islamabad. Okay, Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. It was built in the 1960s and is considered one of the most beautiful and safest city in the world. Okay, the Faisal Mosque is the in Islamabad is the sixth biggest mosque in the world. Wow. Okay. It is the sixth biggest mosque in the world. All of you have seen Faisal Mosque, okay, many times. So this is the sixth biggest mosque in the world. Okay, the next city is Peshawar. Peshawar is the capital of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and is one of the oldest city in the world. Okay, it is one of the oldest city. It is home to several ancient Buddhist sites and Mughal forts. Okay, there are lots of historical places in Peshawar. Okay, the Kissa Khani Bazaar is famous all over the world. It is a place and it is very famous. The name is Kissa Khani Bazaar. Okay. Okay, the next one is Quetta. Quetta is the capital of Balochistan and is famous for its fruits. It is home to Ziyarat residency where Quaid-e-Azam spent his final days. The city was destroyed in an earthquake in 1935 and then rebuilt. Okay, Quetta is the capital of Balochistan. It has lots of fruits. In Quetta, there is Ziyarat residency where Quaid-e-Azam was living in his last days, and in earthquake it was destroyed, but in after 1935 the government started to rebuild it. Okay, the next one is Karachi, and Karachi is one of the largest cities of the Pakistan. Karachi is the capital of Sindh and is the largest city in Pakistan. It is the birthplace of Quaid-e-Azam and his mausoleum is also located here. Okay, it is also the birthplace of Quaid-e-Azam and he is also buried in Karachi. Karachi was the original capital of Pakistan before Islamabad. At first, Karachi was the capital of Pakistan, but now Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Now let's see Lahore. Lahore is the capital of Punjab and is a historic city that is famous for the several landmarks such as the Badshahi Masjid, and the Shalimar Gardens, and for being a cultural hub home to writers and poets. So many writers and poets live in Lahore, and it is one of the historic city. It is the capital of Punjab. You can visit lots of historical places, for example Badshahi Masjid, Shalimar Gardens, and Shahi Killa. Okay, all these historical places are situated in Lahore. On the next page there is an exercise for you. You have to find out the questions, answers of these questions, and there is also a project on the next page. Choose any city and find out the following things about it. What languages are spoken there? What kind of clothing is worn there? What is this city famous for? What famous landmarks exist in that city? Okay, you have to find out the answers of these questions of any city, whichever you want. Okay, okay kids, if you have any problem you can contact us on your school number. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.